Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my first video. We're gonna be doing all Grom stuff. So this is the Honda Grom 2022 ABS model. I got it last April here in Chicago, so I've had it just over a year now. Haven't done too much to it, but I've done a few things, but I got big plans for this build. So, you know, as we make more videos, we'll go through future add-ons and things like that. So to start off here, I guess I'll go through, you know, what I've done so far. And yeah, excuse the bike being dirty. Haven't even washed it since I got it, so this is my daily driver, but I'll get to it. I'll probably do that tomorrow. But anyway, back to the video. So the first thing I did, you could see the mirrors. So stock, they come, you know, pointed way up here and sitting here. Didn't like the look of that. I saw someone on the Honda Grom forums had it bent 90 degrees, and I said that looks better. So I went ahead and did it on mine. It's cool, I can still fit my hand through there pretty good. But yeah, that's how it is for now. I'm gonna change those out when I change the bars there. So for now, that's how we're looking. While we're up here, I got the Shorty, the NZX levers off Amazon. So these have been working out pretty good. As you can see, they're adjustable. But yeah, got those. Oh, got a screen protector. So right when I bought it new, I ordered a screen protector on there just to prevent any scratches and stuff like that. And looks like it would have had some if I didn't have that screen protector, so that's good. Besides that, we got the TST complete crash slider set on there. So you got the axle crash sliders, you know, the engine block one, and then the one in the front as well. So we got that installed on there. We got the TST aluminum sprocket there, so it's the Works 420. I kept it stock, the 38 tooth. Let's see, we got the Driven Racing sprocket nuts on there, as well as the Pro Taper 420 MX chain. You know, that's a popular one there. Did the MNNTHBX spacers, the aluminum spacers in there, and the DHM titanium axles. I got the DHM titanium swing arm bolt as well, but I'm gonna wait to do that until I got the bushings and do the whole suspension like all at once then. Besides that, what else? Not too much else I could think of. Just, this MNNTHBX oil cap here. So there it is right there, and then it just holds like bottle caps. So you just put any bottle cap after you drink it, pop it right in there, and then it sits on the bike, so you can switch that up all the time. Again, you can see how dirty this bike is right now. Besides that, haven't done too much else yet. I do got some stuff on the way, so pretty soon I'll do the fender eliminator kit. Probably go with the TST options on that. So you get the tail light, get those out of there, and then the front lights as well, just to clean all that up, get this big fender out of there. And then we'll probably do exhaust after that. So there's some different options for exhaust, not too sure which one I'm gonna go with yet, but I'll keep you guys updated on that. And yeah, probably gonna do a different type build than what you usually see out there. So stick around, and you know, any questions, comments you got on the ground, put them in the comment section below, and see you next time.